days of yore. It all began with a god named Thor. There were Vikings and boats and some plans for a furniture store. It's not a bodega, it's not a mall. They sell things for apartments smaller than mine. As if there were apartments smaller than mine. Ikea, just some oak and some pine and a handful of Norsemen. Selling furniture for college kids and divorced men. Everyone has a home. If you don't have a home, you can buy one there. Rent a car or take the bus and lay your cash down and put your trust in the land where the furniture folds to a much smaller size. Nearly the bookcase says hello, and so does the table. His name is Ingo, and the chair is a ladder-back birch, but his friends call him Carl. Ikea, just some oak and some pine and a handful of Norsemen. Ikea, selling furniture for college kids and divorced men. Everyone has a home. If you don't have a home, you can buy one there. Ikea, plywood, brushed steel. Ikea, meatballs tasty. Ikea, Allen wrenches, all of them for free, all of them for me. And I'm sorry I said Ikea sucks. Just bought a table for $60 and a chair and a lamp and a shelf and some candles for you. I was a doubter just like you.